Alright, so we have some interesting surprise ones. Another might pop. We're not sure, and we're very anxious about it. So I have here one of the LOL Surprise Littles, or Lils. LOL Surprise has a lot of toys. They have animal ones, larger tube ones of like actual dolls. I just wanted to start small with them, but also the huge ones are like $20, and I was like, we can wait on that.
This is a Hatchelm's Crack and Hatch Squishy Surprise.
Now that was the last one I saw at Target of that one, so I think they either were selling out or like that was it.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But that one is the one we're concerned about.
Yeah.
Oh, this one has a thing on the bottom. Is it instructions? No, it's a warning label. That's,
Warning
I
for
ripped
what?
it. I ripped it again.
Yeah, this
Wow,
isn't
I'm
wanting
great
to
at
open
this.
correctly.
I don't think I'm supposed to open it
Yeah,
like
it
this.
says, take the top off and whack it.
And whack it.
Maybe? Ooh. Haha. Collectible paper. Oh, weird. They have Justice League ones,
Wait, what?
Avengers ones, Spider-Man, and DC superhero girls.
That's cool.
Fun. I wonder what weird.
So it's not just animals.
Yeah.
It looked like the one we got though
Is-
was
is
from the
animals?
animal series.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. There's a penguin, there's a bird, a duck, an owl, a chicken, a parrot. I
I
like that
haven't-
they're only sticking with birds, which are things that hatch.
Could be lizards.
Yeah.
That would have been good. I'm already struggling
I'm
with
gonna
this.
smack it. I don't know.
Got it.
It's growing.
Oh. What?
Is that the animal itself?
Is that the animal? It's a balloon?
I'm afraid.
This is concerning.
Uh,
Pointed right for you.
Oh,
It's
no.
gonna projectile. Okay, it
it just
did.
fell. We're good. I
Is
should
it still-
relax. It's still growing.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna in that meantime. Are they bouncy balls?
I don't know. Can I just grab it?
If I could just not struggle with
Oh
this.
my goodness, this is such a weird concept. It is.
Oh,
it's
It looks like
face.
the Duolingo owl's deformed cousin.
Oh no! It's a baby parrot.
I can see it, but look at its
head
face.
is so deformed.
It looks like if the movie Rio went wrong.
Oh no! It's cold.
It is
It
cold.
doesn't feel safe
It's
to give to
really
children.
Weird. Air is it filled? I mean, what air is it filled with? It's really cold. I want to know the scientific how this
Logic
works.
now.
The logic of smacking it and reacting. I'm just having a time with this.
Well, if I move the air to a different section, you can sort of see it's a parrot. But it just.
It just you can fix him, but temporarily.
It just
I
goes
don't
back.
have nails. Can I just? I'm gonna have to do something. That did nothing.
This is so deformed.
So bad.
Cute concept, but.
Does it not look like the Duolingo owl's deformed cousin?
Maybe a little.
He doesn't know any real languages.
Oh no.
He can only teach you what it thinks it knows. Wait, it says Tech for Kids Inc. Made in China.
Just.
I need help.
Okay.
There's a seam there, and I didn't think to do it the other way.
Still not working.
Yeah. Oh, he can sit up.
Oh, you got him to sit.
Oh, no, I didn't. He can still sit in his nest.
Just slowly falling apart.
Oh. Scam likely is calling me. Let's get rid of you. Okay.
Can I just?
Yeah. Just need to rip off that whole thing.
Just anticlimactic.
Yeah. How do they expect kids to open this?
It's difficult. Well, at this point, you could probably get the scissors through it.
Hopefully. Can I fit scissors in there? Here, do you want to try to do
This
this?
is a struggle.
It is. Okay, we're getting there.
We're doing something.
Okay, there's an arrow pointing. It says unzip.
More unzipping?
Okay, there's more seam work. But one of the seams does not want to do anything. Okay. We'll just not open you conventionally then. I do like the pink and black, like, diamond pattern because it does remind me of like a salon, and it's like an old one, not old, but like the frou-frou-y ones. If you've ever been to one of those. And oh, there's the stickers.
Looks like some curtains.
It's a curtain and a light switch.
Yeah.
There's another layer.
Do you just get stickers with every layer? Or?
I don't know. I better get like money. The real reward would be money back. It smells like nail polish remover.
Weird.
Okay, and then, oh, she has a weird thing. Okay,
So many things opening up.
so there's a list.
I like those.
I think we're made aware of that by now. Look at this weird holographic mirror. She has a little mirror that's like holographic. There's another warning thing. Or is it a warning thing? Oh, it tells you what to do with them. They change in water.
Oh,
It's
weird.
hot and cold water. I heard about them doing this. But I wasn't sure. Okay, I have some sunglasses here. I'll show that in a bit.
Oh my goodness. This is one of those old-fashioned hair things.
it's
You
a
got
hair
your
curler.
hair up in it?
You know what? Kudos to whoever made these. They're smart.
Interesting.
It's a weird cat with like 1920s hair.
Should we get some hot water?
Yeah, let's get some water. This doesn't feel like the girl though. It looks like it's just the animal.
I guess we got an animal.
Or I guess this one might not change. Did the animals change
Yeah,
too?
it shows an animal right there.
Oh, the animals change too. Okay.
Is it hot water or normal one?
It says cold and hot water are the two things that make it change.
So like, should I get one cold and one hot?
Yeah, I guess so. We'll pause real quick while we're getting some water.
So
All
we
right.
have cold water.
So I have the whole purse, the little mirror and stuff inside. I wonder if the purse changes too.
I think it's just the baby.
Just the baby, just the animal. So we have cold water. Let me see if that does anything. No, I think cold water is its initial setting.
Oh, okay. So it
Yeah.
has to be put in hot water.
Okay, well, it was worth a shot. It has done nothing. I'll just let it float there.
Well, I need hot water.
Yeah, because if it's super cold, if it's super cold, I was just going to say, then it should react better to the hot, like quicker.
Ooh.
So that's why I'm leaving it in there.
Okay.
All right, we'll see. All right, we have a bowl of hot water. We have one cat with 1920s hair. Looks like a flapper. We're going to dunk the cat in there. Please change. Please do something. Looks the same still.
Yeah.
Does it say how long it needs to be in there?
It's all
Usually
in a
these things are
different
instant
language.
reaction. Flip it over.
Nope.
Oh,
Even
that's
less
in
language.
Japanese. Even less language. You mean even less of a language we know?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Here we go. Before beginning, cover the play area to protect from possible water damage. Do not place the doll or pet in extremely hot water. An adult must be present. Do not.
Agent Purr.
Agent Purr.
Agent Purr.
Yeah. Cold water change will start. Well, this feels like hot enough water. Like, I do not want to keep my fingers in there for too long. I guess it's a dud. We got either a dud or if
We just don't.
we just don't know what we're doing.
It's fine. Well, that was a fun adventure.
It was an adventure.
Okay, well. Okay.
All right.